Which one?
This one. Number 5. Number 4.
This
Number
one?
3. No.
This one?
Hmm.
Yes, okay, so I take this one. Okay, now read.
Pet.
Good, pets. All right, so you can move the boxes. 1, 2, good job. All right, next.
Pet the cat.
Good, pets the cat. All right, so you can write the rocket. Good job. Next.
Pet the cat on a cab.
Good, pets the cat on a cab. All right, so you can move the boxes. 1, 2, good job. Next.
Pet the cat on a mat.
Good, pets the cat on a mat. All right, so you can move the boxes. 1, 2. Next.
Mop.
Mop, good job. All right, so you also can move the boxes. Good job. Next.
Pet the cat on a mop.
Good, pets the cat on a mop. All right, you can move the boxes. 1, 2, good job. Next.
Pet the cat on a pot.
Good, pet the cat on a pot. All right, you can move the boxes. 1, 2, good job. Next.
Pet the cat on a mat.
Good, pet the cat on a mat. A mat. All right, so you can move the box. So you can write the rocket. Good. Okay. Next.
Pet the cat on a mop.
Good. Pet the cat on a mop. You can move two boxes. 1, 2. Good job, Qayyim. Congratulations. All right, so you can get 1 ringgit